Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to see complete console in JavaScript. Console.log, Console.warn, etc. Many methods in console. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So in console there are many methods. Let's say if I write console dot, you'll get many methods here: assert, clear, context, count reset, debug, error group, etc. So we'll see one of the main methods. So everyone would know what is this, right? Console.log. I'll write hi, I am Azhar. So if I click on enter, it will type hi, I'm Azhar. So we can throw error message also. How we can throw an error message? So if I just write console.error, this is a test error. You close it, click on enter. So we'll get this error message like this. So whenever you run a JavaScript through browser, if it is a real error, you'll get like this. But here we just giving it as anonymous simple error. Just for the purpose, I just wrote this is the test error. We can clear the screen. So now console.error is also there. Now let's move on to another method. What is another method? Right? This is a warn. You would have so CLS is not there in browser console. We can either put console.clear or we can use this one. Now we can use simple like this. So console.warn. So what does console.warn do? So we have to enter something. I'll just write this is a test warning. So if you click on enter, so I'll be getting the error message here with error icon, right? So this is console.warn. You have seen console.error, console.log, console.warn. I just wrote console.log hello. I click on enter. I got something. Instead of pressing it here, I can just write console.clear. If I write like this as a function, it will clear the console, but now we got a message here, console was cleared. Now let's move on to console.time, console.timeEnd. Okay, let me write console.time. What we have to write here, we have to just give some label. So let me just give Azhar, just a simple label. Now if I click on enter, it will execute it. If you click on shift enter, we can write the function. So let's say let simpleFunction equal to function. I'm writing open bracket, shift enter. Now here I'll write just console.log. I want to write, let's say I'll write simpleFunction is running. simpleFunction is running. Semicolon. Shift enter. I'll close the function here. Now I can write secondFunction also. secondFunction equal to, now I'll write function, open bracket, close bracket, shift enter, console.log, secondFunction is running. So how long it will take? Between the this time, and I'll write a function at the end to time end. Okay, we'll see that also. Semicolon, shift end, I'll close the secondFunction also. Now I'll execute both. Okay, let's say I'll execute simpleFunction also. I want to call them, right? Basically, so I'll write secondFunction also, and to basically execute them. Now I'll write here console.log, console.timeEnd. The method is there. Here I'll write just the same label. So I'm using the time start to time end. So what is the time it is taking to execute the entire thing? Let me click on enter now. So now you can see here simpleFunction is running, secondFunction is running. So it has executed in these many milliseconds. Now let us move on to another function. Now if I write console dot, see, we can create a simple table also. So table will create just like an object here. Let's say open bracket, close bracket. In that I'll write first channel. My just first channel is Azhar Techno Coder. So this is my first channel. Right. I have a second channel too. I'll write that one. Second channel. You have to give colon here. Wrestle Talk by Azhar. So this is my second channel. Now, if I click on enter, I have to close this method also. Now, see here, first channel I have given colon, comma, second channel as colon. Now, if you click on enter, you can see my first channel, it is created simple table. Now it has Azhar Techno Coder as my first channel and Wrestle Talk as a second channel. Now, let's move on to another function. So let us see console.count. So what we can give here? Count, right? So where we can see the count? If I do just write count of 1, so it will be 1 only. So what if I write a simple function, simple loop? Let's say I'll write for loop for let I equal to 0, I less than 5, comma I plus plus, and shift enter. I'll write. So yeah, I can open the bracket, come down. I want to write console dot count of. So just I'm counting like at a time. Like what is the increment here? Like how many times it is incrementing? Let's say shift enter. So all the time it is 1 on. So what if I write shift enter I plus plus? See, it is now count is 2. So every time the increment is twice. So count of console.count is 2 here. So this is the first example. I want to clear the screen. Now let us move on to another function. Let's see. We have something called Console.group. Let's say I'll create a group as classroom. Right? In the classroom, I can click on shift enter. I'll just write Console.log. Welcome to classroom. The class will have its own set of students who are sitting on the front row. Let's write I want to warn the students study well. Exams are near. So now I want to warn that you have only 3 hours to complete exam. Right? Now I'll write console dot not log. I'll write console dot error time is up in the classroom. That's it. Now I've started a group, I can end the same group. So Console.group/end. Okay, I'll write same group. Which group I want to end? I want to end the group classroom. So let me click on enter. You can see here I have got a drop down, not drop down, expand and collapse button, right? So I'm giving welcoming everyone to classroom. And I've already told them you have 3 hours to complete exam. After 3 hours, the time is up. Now I have closed the group. That is creating a simple group. Now let us move on. So now we can customize our console also. Let me put Console.log. Hi, I am Azhar, right? So I'm getting hi, I am Azhar like this. So instead of getting like this, I'll do what? I'll say constant. I'll write spacing. I've just taken a variable. Let me take it as a 15 pixel. Shift enter. So I'll write constant. I'll write a style equal to. I'll use this. I'll write. I'm just writing a CSS here. So I'm writing padding. In the padding, I'm just giving spacing here. Now, if I write console.log, I'll write percentage C. I'll write hi, I'm Azhar. I'll copy this and paste it here, and here I'll write style. Let me click on enter. You can see I have increased the pixel. Now it is occupying 15 pixels. Also, I can give many things. Let's say, so here if I click on shift enter, here also I can give let's say background color, right? If you're familiar with CSS, you'll know this. I'll just write background color. I'll write same thing, colon. I'll write let's say white, so it will look good. It will look properly. So now if I click on enter, you can see it is proper white. If you don't want that, let me give background as, I don't know, gray is there or not. Let's see gray. So now you can see here, hi, I am Azhar. So like this you can add a style. Also you can add a pixels, adding styles to the font. So console has many examples, many methods. So these are some of the methods which we have seen. You can click on console dot. You can see many methods. You can actually play around them. We have covered few examples of console. So these normally we'll use console.log only, but here we are using more than that. So if you have seen this video for the first time, or if you have seen this video, got new information, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.